Trek, bilis!
Blessings to you, makes them in return of what they did.
So you explain me. Ay, hindi po. Mag-explain nyo. Hindi, ako yung gumawa nun eh.
Ayun yung mga explain sa mga
Hindi kami.
Alam na yun na.
It's your turn. Shine. Uy! Eric, explain me. Mapabata agreed doon yun.
O, alam no. Sige, next group. Next group.
Planking yan.
Yung mo naman sa lahat binabasa nila tapos sa next week.
Jawin!
Explain mo yun.
40 points, quiz.
Pa?
40 points, quiz.
Ilang po yung points namin?
Jawin! Yes, Tupong!
Next group. Lomi. Okay, Lomi.
Challenges comes along our way. We should, during this gift, remind that God has promises, and those promises comes only to those who persevere. Life is good, but eternal life is better.
Next group.
Ano ba ang posting ka eh? Balang ba masakap isang bar?
Wow, si Mama.
Oh, BJ!
Persecuted for the sake of righteous orders is the
Kapad na, kapad!
the beatitude implies that those who were persecuted or harmed by doing the right and good things are more blessed than others. They will be blessed and loved by God. For example, the first Philippine saint, San Lorenzo Ruiz, experienced painful torture for fighting his belief of God as Jesus as his God. Even in brink of death, Lorenzo Ruiz still fights for his beliefs of Jesus as his God. In the end, he became the first Filipino saint. He was blessed and guided by God. Ang pangalan na ito ay nagpapaliwanag na ang minamahal ng Diyos ng mga taong gumagawa ng mabuti. Ang example na si San Lorenzo Ruiz ay kahit siya ay pinaghirapan, pinaglaban niya pa rin ang kanyang paniniwala sa kanyang Diyos.